So what's up guys? In today's video, I'm about to show you a CPA marketing strategy that will enable you go on to earning from $50 to $100 each and every single day just by utilizing this platform right here called Cpagrip in conjunction with another amazing platform right here that's going to be called Sprout Gigs right here. I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can actually go on to getting your traffic right now to your CPA marketing offers on this platform right here called Sprout Gigs. And you're also going to go on to seeing the mistake which most people actually make when promoting their offers on this platform right now, and you can actually avoid those mistakes right there. I'm going to show you how you could avoid that and promote your offers appropriately to get traffic to your offers and make some cool cash online. And before we dive right into the video guys, make sure you're subscribed to my channel right here, because I create videos on how you could make money online. There are a lot of videos that could help you out. So scroll through my channel, you can see a lot of videos right here. You will also make sure you subscribe to the channel and your notification bell is always on all, so that you could actually get alerted whenever I release some videos that could help you go on to boosting your income online. So with that being said guys, let's dive right into the video of today. So first of all guys, you want to come onto a CPA marketing platform right now, and we're going to be utilizing the Cpagrip right here. If you do head onto this platform right now, you could get an account created. This is actually for those people that are actually not having an account on this platform. Click on register, you'll be brought to this page, and it's quite easy to create an account on this platform because you want to only provide your basic details on fields only on the fields having red asterisk sign right here. As you can see, all the fields having red asterisk signs are the required field you must fill out before getting an account created. Agree to the terms of service right now and just simply click on register to get your account created. Once you do that guys, go on to login into your account. So guys, as you can see right now, I'm back into my account right here, which is the Cpagrip right here. And to get to this page where you can see offers you can go on to promoting right now, you want to just simply come onto this section, select the offer tools option. A drop down list will be shown to you. Select my offers and you should be brought to a page similar to this. Right now you want to leave this page open because we're going to get back to this right now. And if you do head onto this particular platform called Sprout Gigs, and if you don't know about this before, Sprout Gigs was actually a website that used to be having a domain called Pico Workers. It was formerly known as Pico Workers right now, but they've rebranded and they call themselves Sprout Gigs right now. So if you head onto this platform, you can see that this is actually where the world works right now. You can see there is an online marketplace that connects freelancers and business owners around the world with easy to do affordable tasks right now. All you need to do right here is you go on to creating an account on this platform. Click on sign up right here. You should be brought to this page. Provide your details right now on the fields available to you. You can either create an account as a worker or as an employer. It doesn't really matter the one you select right now, because once your account has been created, you can actually switch from a worker to an employer or vice versa, depending on how you actually want it. So once you do get your account created guys, just simply come right here and log into your account. And if you do go onto the micro job section right here, you can see that you can go on to posting your job right now because your account is actually on the buyer section. But you can actually go on to changing that to the freelancer section, which is also known as the worker account right now. If you do select that right there, you can just simply go on to selecting micro jobs. You can see find jobs right now, no more post jobs right here, but find jobs. If you click on find jobs, you'll be able to see a lot of cool tasks which you could go on to doing right now and earning some cool cash right now on this platform. You can see for this task right here, it's just for you to go onto doing the SEO plus promote content and engage in that particular content, and you're gonna get paid about 3 cents right here. You can actually keep on scrolling through. You'll be able to see a lot of other offers right now, and if you're lucky, you can see offers giving you out maybe $1 right there, or $2 or $1 right now. Those are actually cool offers right there, but the offers which you can see right now, they are actually having a very low payout rate right now. You can see this one right here is just for you to sign up to the platform, and you're gonna get paid about 20 cents right now. You can keep on scrolling through. This is actually a very cool one right now. You could utilize that for your preference right here. So once you're actually done completing a lot of offers right here, you're going to be getting paid such amount right now, And if you do get paid right there, you want to just simply go into accumulating that money even as a beginner right now. Maybe if you don't want to just simply go into using your money to actually do this strategy, go on to completing other people's offers first and make some money right now before you can then go back to switching your account to the buyer section. If you do that right there, guys, it's going to make you to go onto a page such as this because you plan on promoting your offers instead, which is why you want to click on micro jobs right now and you want to click on post job. If you do click on post job, it's going to bring you right here to this page where you want to just simply go into selecting the country to which you want to just simply drive traffic to your CPA marketing offers. So which is why, guys, we're just simply going to utilize a different strategy for this right now today. So guys, a huge mistake which a lot of people actually make right now once promoting their offers on this platform is that they actually go on to selecting tier 1 countries to promote their offers to, like the United States, Canada, United Kingdom, and lots more other countries like that. But that's actually not a good way to promote your offers on this platform. First of all, you need to actually analyze this platform to find out where its traffic comes from the most. And you can actually do that, guys, with the help of SimilarWeb statistics right now. If you do use SimilarWeb right here, as you can see, I'm using SimilarWeb right now. And you can see right here, guys, that the engagement which this particular platform has gotten in the last 3 months is about 9 million views right now, 9 million visits right now. You can see right here that it actually gets about a visit of, let me say, 2 million and above visits every single month right now, which is actually a very cool amount of traffic right there. If you do keep on scrolling through, you'll be able to see a lot more about this particular platform. But come on to this country and geography targeting, you can see that in this section you'll be able to see where its traffic comes from the most, and most of its traffic comes from this particular country called Vietnam, which about 31% of its traffic comes from Vietnam, 10% comes from Sri Lanka, 6 comes from Egypt, 5.7 from Indonesia, and 4.29 from Brazil. This actually means that these are the countries which you want to just simply take note of to promote your offers to, instead of going on to promoting your offers to top tier countries like the United States right there. Because if you do that, you may not actually get any form of leads to your offers, and you're just gonna go on to wasting money for that right now. So basically what you want to do right now is to actually head back to Cpagrip, and once you're on Cpagrip, guys, go on to changing this particular country right now to, let me say, Vietnam. If I just select Vietnam right now, guys, you can see right here that it's actually going to load up and show me offers available to that demographic. I can just simply click on payout and it's going to show me the highest paying offers. This is actually the highest paying offers available to such country right now. So what you want to do is to select the offer right now. If you do select the offer right now, I don't actually speak this language or know much about the language right now. So what I'm going to do is just simply to copy this text right here. If I copy the text, I'm going to head back to Google right now, and I'm just going to go on to searching for Google Translator. If you do search for that right here, you can see that this is a translator. I'm just going to paste in that text right now, and it's going to go on to transcribing that or translating that for me right here. You can see it says, access your content now, enter your mobile number now to start downloading. That is the actual description of that particular word right there, or sentences right now. So what you want to do next, guys, is to actually go back to your Cpagrip, copy the offer link right now, and you want to go on to promoting that right there. But before you promote that, guys, it is quite important to create a simple landing page, and you can use platforms like the breezy.io to go on to creating a landing page right now. You could also utilize Google Sites right now to create a simple landing page, and I'm not going to show you how you could create a landing page for your offers right now, because I actually have a lot of videos out there for you that could help you on that. If you do come onto my channel right here, as you can see, the last video which I actually uploaded was going to show you how you could create a landing page right now. So you just want to go on to watching that video right now, or you could just simply go on to searching for OJ marketing plus landing page, and if you do search for that right now in this particular section, you'll be able to see my videos I created for you on how you could go on to creating a landing page right now with the Google site right here. This is actually with the Webflow, so you can actually keep on scrolling through. You'll be able to see a lot of my videos right now that is actually going to show you how you could create landing pages right now. These are all my videos right now, so utilize them right there, watch such videos, and go on to creating a simple landing page. Once you do that, guys, you want to then just simply go on to promoting that particular landing page after linking that to your CPA marketing offer on this particular platform called Cpagrip. So if you do head on to Cpagrip right now, because I want to promote offers to Indonesia. Since Indonesia is in the Asian continent, just going to select that right now, and you can actually do see right here. Oh, sorry, I'm going to promote my offers to Vietnam right now because the offer is actually available for Vietnam individuals. So right now you can see right here that it says select all countries you want to exclude from the selected zone. So select all other countries right now except Vietnam right now. So if I do go on to selecting all countries except that demographic right here, you can actually do see right now that has been selected. Click on apply and go to next. Once you do that right here, you want to select the kind of offer right now, and you can see right here that the kind of offer is actually a pin submit offer. All you need to do is just simply click on survey/offers. You want to select the amount of questions that will be asked. I'm going to leave that to 10 questions right now. Click on apply and go to next. You want to just simply give this job author a title, just like how other individuals are actually giving theirs a title right now. So what you want to do right here is to just simply give it a title, something like simple survey. So if you put in something like this, you need to just simply go on to adding steps right there for them to complete in that particular offer. And the step right there, you can put in step 1 to click on the link, and you want to paste in your CPA marketing link right there, which is the link to your offer or the link to your landing page right there. For the step 2 right now, you want to just simply go on to put in something like complete survey right now. And if you do that right there, you could add more steps right now, and you could just simply go on to the required proof right here. For that proof, I'm actually prefer selecting the screenshot proof, and you can just simply put in what you want them to screenshot right now. I can just simply put in something like survey completion page, and if you put in something like this right now, that's actually an indicator that people have they need to actually screenshot the survey completion page, send that to me before I actually go on to paying them right now. So what you want to do next right now is to just simply click on apply and go to next. You're going to be brought to this page where you can leave your speed as it is, leave the level as it is. For the workers needed, you can increase that and reduce that based on your preference. But mind you guys, the more you increase, the more the cost of actually running this campaign on this platform actually increases. So what you want to do right now is just simply put in an amount that is actually suitable to you. Then you could just simply go on to selecting how much each worker will earn. And from this offer right now, we're going to be earning about 73 cents right here. So you can just simply leave that as it is right here on this platform as 25 cents, giving out people 25 cents right now, which means that for every sale that you actually do make, or for every conversion to the offer right now, you're just going to make a profit of 0.48 dollars right now. That is actually 48 cents. So if you're actually going to go on to getting about 100 leads right now to that particular offer, you're going to be making $48 right now. But you're going to be making this right here in profit. So this is actually a very cool strategy you can actually utilize right now to go on to getting some cool traffic to your offers right here, as you can just simply go on to seeing the amount you use to fund this particular project right here, which is about $7.33 right now. To utilize this right now, click on apply and go to next, and go on to checking out other settings right now before promoting this right here on this platform. So utilize this simple strategy right now to make a lot of money online. If the video added any form of value to you, why not just simply smash the like button to the video, subscribe to the channel, and make sure your notification bell is turned on all. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video guys, and goodbye.